Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Yếm Hằng and today I will teach you how to make pig in a blanket. Like this. Well, I make this for kids back to school. Super easy, convenient for them to bring to school and no microwave need, just stay great in room temperature and they can enjoy it for lunch. Or maybe they can help you wrap the dog. Well, for the dough, let's start with the sponge method. I like to use this sponge method for this recipe. They are soft and moist. In the bowl, add in 200 grams bread flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, 150 ml of water. Use your hand or spatula or spoon and mix them together and cover it and let stay in one place for a few hours. The sponge method is similar to Polish method. The sponge has more yeast and less water, and the fermentation time is faster. So it takes 3 to 4 hours in room temperature, and depend on your room temperature, hot or cold. So today my kitchen a little bit cold toward winter. Yeah, so I leave it on the counter for 4 hours. And this is the sponge fermented after 4 hours. It's double the size and lot of bubbles. Now ready to prepare for the final dough. In the bowl of stand mixer, add in 150 grams bread flour, 50 grams of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, 1 egg, 50 grams of butter, and a sponge. Don't forget the sponge. Use dough hook mix for 8 to 10 minutes and make sure all the sugar and yeast are all dissolved and well combined. Transfer the dough to a bowl and cover and proofing for 2 hours in one place or until double in size. Today I use the oven proofer for 40 minutes. While I'm waiting for the dough proofing, I prepare the bechamel sauce. In a saucepan on medium-high heat, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and 1 tablespoon of flour, and melt the butter and flour together and mix it really well. Then add the milk and 200 ml of whole milk. One stalk of green onion, pinch of thyme or a pinch of herbs. It's just for an optional. Bring it to boil and lower the heat down. On the lower heat, stir the sauce until the liquid reduces in half. I like thicken the sauce and it stay nice in a bunch, not too runny and less messy. And when it's done, keep in the fridge until ready to use. A quarter teaspoon of salt, now the dough is ready for shaping. I divide the dough into 6 chunks. It's about 100 grams, a little bit more. Kneading the dough to smooth it out and let it relax for 5 to 10 minutes before wrapping the piggy. Well, it's just like our body, right? After you work out and you need to stretch and relax, and then we can work again. So use the rolling pin, flat the dough, and spread the sauce. A piece of sliced tomato, and some veggie, and this is red bell pepper, and more ketchup on if you like more, and place the hot dog in the center. Now I'm wrapping the picky. Fold both sides into the center. Cover the picky. Wow, it's look like a blanket now, eh? Well, make sure to seal them together, or else they will open during baking. Blankets open by itself. Uh, this one I have barbecue sauce and ketchup only. No veggie or anything. If you don't want to make the sauce or any kind of sauce in there, there's another way to wrap and pretty easy. Just flat the dough out and cut the dough into strips. Then wrap the dough around the pig. Hey, oh, this is fun. Well, your kid can help you wrap in this. Well, finish all the wrapping, and I proof this in the oven proofer for 30 minutes. I place the dish filled with hot water and place beside the tray. After 30 minutes, now they are ready to bake. Egg watches, I use one whole egg and a pinch of salt. Beaten the eggs really well so you easy to brush on the dough. And bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. And depend on your oven heat. I bake at 15 minutes. You can also fill the dough with leftover turkey of the holiday, meat sauces, and the bechamel sauce keep moisture inside the buns, and it tastes great too. And that's it. I really have fun making this piggy. Well, think of your kids enjoy the lunch and have more fun time at the lunch break. And thanks for watching, and until next time, bye. What is the pig? It's a hot dog.